Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will see apply division and multiplication topic. Okay, so how you will solve this? This is story based sum. Let's start. So can you answer the following? Some question will ask you how you will solve that. You have to see what is the step of solving. Now see, if one pen cost rupees 5, how will you find the cost of 2, 3, 4 pen? Means suppose I have in my hand how many pen students? 4 pen. So question is saying 1 pen. This pen rupees 5. So how will you find the cost of this 2, 3 and 4 pen? Okay. So how you will find it? Let's see what is the step. So it is very easy, as you see that okay, this is 5 rupees, then this also 5 rupees, this also 5 rupees, this also 5 rupees. So after this 5 plus 5 plus 5 you can add it, but this is not a you can say this is not a correct method to solve this. Okay, it is very easy. Let's see what is the step of solving. Now cost of 1 pen, what is given? Rupees 5. Okay, so cost of 2 pen means you have to multiply 2 into 5. Okay, because this one pen price is 5 and this one more pen, this price is 5. So 5, 5, 10 if you will add, but you can multiply 2 into 5. Okay, 2 pen, so 2 into 5, price is 5. So 2 into 5, then you find what is the price, that is 10 rupees. Okay, 2 pen price 10 rupees. Now same process you have to do with 3 pen. Okay, with 3 pen. Now this 10 rupees. Okay, 2 pen 10 rupees. Then you have to find 3. So what you will do? 3 into 5. Same process you will do with 4. Now we have to find 4 pen price. So what you will do? 4 into 5, that is 20. So whole this 4 pen price, total price is 20. So see, 4 into 5, 20. Now what happens when the cost of one article is given? Okay, now cost of one article is given, you are required to find the cost of many articles. So here is 4, or suppose there are more 2 pen, more 6 pen, 8 pen. So how you will solve this? By multiplication. Okay, so when the cost of one article is given and you are required to find the cost of many articles, then what you will do? You will multiply. Now sometimes the cost of many article is given and you have to find the cost of one article. This is the opposite of what you did earlier. How do you solve such problem? Study the following example. So here in this what we have seen, there one price is given. Okay, one article price is given, you have to find many article price. So we will multiply. So let's take another example, another process. Okay, see example first. The cost of 1 dozen pencil is rupees 24. What is the cost of one pencil? So how you will find here? What you have to ask here? Find the cost of one pencil. So here one pencil price is not given, you have to find. So what is given is 1 dozen pencil is 24. So 1 dozen means 12. Okay, you know, see 1 dozen. 1 dozen is equal to how many thing? 12 material. Okay, suppose 1 dozen banana. Okay, if question will ask you 1 dozen banana, in 1 dozen banana how many banana will come? In 1 dozen banana how many banana will come? 12 banana. Okay, so same that, see 1 dozen pen is saying, so how many pen comes here? 12 pen. Okay, so 12 pen price is 24. So you have to find one pencil. Sorry, here is pencil. Okay, so here is 12 pencil price is given 24. One pencil price you have to find. So here you have to divide. Okay, after dividing you can find the cost of one pencil. So some statement will you have to write. Okay, this type of question you have to write some statement. See what you will write. Cost of 12 pencil. In the question is given the cost of 12 pencil, that is rupees 24. So cost of one pencil. How? Rupees 24 by divide 12. Okay. So question is saying have to divide it. So what you will do? 24 divide 12. Okay. So if you will divide 12 24, how we will solve? It comes how many times? 24 comes 2 times. Okay. So 2 constant. Okay. So after dividing, what you get? Rupees 2. So this 2, what we have find? Cost of one pencil. So the cost of one pencil is 12. 2. Okay. Cost of one pencil is 2. See what is written. There can be a situation where the cost of 1 dozen article is given and you want to buy 7 article. How do you find the cost of 7 article? So, suppose here 1 dozen article is given. Okay. So, you have to find the 7 article just opposite. Okay. Let's take, see, a dozen notebooks cost 120. Okay. Means 1 dozen. A dozen is saying means 1 dozen. So a notebook means 12 notebooks price is given rupees 120. How much will 7 notebooks? So in that, in 12 notebook you have to find 7 notebooks price. Okay, here 1 we have to find, 1 pencil we have find in 12 pencils. So here in 12 notebooks you have to find 7 notebooks price. Okay. So same process as we have done in above. So what you will write the statement is cost of 12 notebooks rupees 120. Cost of one notebook you have to divide. Okay. First you have to find first notebook price. Okay. First you have to find first notebook. Okay. Then you will divide. Then we get 10. Okay. Here also how you will find one pencil price? By dividing. Same process you have to do here. So one notebook price, what is? Rupees 10. So you have found it. So you have to find how much will 7 notebook. So simple, you will multiply with 7. Okay, you get the answer. So 7 notebook price is 70. Okay, so the problem is solved in 2 steps. Find the cost of one article by dividing the cost of 12 articles by 12. Okay. Find the cost of 7 articles by multiplying the cost of 1 article by 7. So here you have question is asking you have to find the one pencil price. So we have divided and we get the price. What is the price of one pencil? Here you have to find 7 notebook price. So first step you will do, first you will find the price of one notebook. Then after that you will find the price of after multiplying. Okay. One book price after multiplying with 7 notebooks. Okay, how many article? Okay, 7 means, okay, 7 article is saying, so you have to multiply with the price of one notebook. Okay, then it becomes 70. So understand, students? So this type of method is called unitary method. Okay. Now, let's see one more example is given here. The distance covered by a car is 5 hours. Okay. So, the distance covered by a car in 5 hours is 200 kilometer. Okay. So, how many hour it going? 5 hours. So, in 5 hours, how many kilometer car is going? 200 kilometer. Okay. Distance is 200 kilometer. What is the distance covered by the car in 3 hours? So you have to find the distance in 3 hours. How far? 3 hours it goes. Okay. So you will write the statement distance covered by the car is 5 hours. In 5 hours, how many distance? 200 kilometer. So distance covered by the car in 1 hour. So first we have to find 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many kilometer car will covered? First you have to find that. Okay, so kilometer, see 1 hour, how many kilometer? 40. So one, you have to find here 1 hour, one article, one pencil. If question will ask you, then you will have to divide first. Okay, so in total hour we have divided with 200 kilometers, so you get 40 kilometer. So 1 hour it goes 40 kilometer. Now it is very easy. When you will multiply with 1 hour, okay, 180 kilometer with 3 hour, okay, multiply, after multiplying you get 120 kilometer. So in 3 hour the car is traveling how many kilometer? 120 kilometer. Okay, so first step you have to find first 1 hour. Here 1 hour, here what we have find? One notebook we have find, here one pencil we have find. Okay, then after question is saying in that total, in that here 5 hours total, in that how many hours they will ask? If 2 hour they will ask, you will multiply with 2. Okay, if 3, then you will multiply with 3. If 4, then you will multiply with 4. Okay, this is the process. Now exercise 4.9. Fill the blanks to solve the story sum. How I will solve this? See, a maths test paper has 10 questions and the total marks are 100. If Ritu answers the 6 questions correctly, how many marks will she get? So, question is saying maths test paper is going on. So, 10 question. Okay, 10 question is given in the test, math test. So, total marks is 100. Okay, but in 10 question, Ritu has answered how many questions? 6 answer. So, how many marks will she get? So, how many marks she will get? You have to find here. So, here what you will do? First you will find one question mark. Okay, what is the mark of one question? First you will find that. So, what you will do? You will divide. Okay, so 100 divide 10. Then whatever you get, you will multiply with 6. Okay, now what sum statement you have to write? See, here is given total marks of 10 question. What you will write here? See, in question total 10 question is here, total marks is given 100. Total marks is given 100. So total marks for 10 question is 100. Okay, so you will write 100 here. Okay, it is clear, students? 100. Okay, 100. Okay, now step 1, what you will do? Find the one question mark. Okay, what is the mark of one question you have to find? So what you will do? You will divide. Okay, 100 divide 10. Okay, now let's see what is given into next page. You have understand? See, 100 divide 10. Now next what you will do? Marks of 6 question. Okay, now marks of 6 question. I will find it. See, after dividing this, what you get? You get 10. Okay, you get 10. So one question mark is 10. Okay, now we have to find 6 question mark. So see, what you will do here? Marks for 6 question, you will simply multiply with 6 into 10. Okay, then you multiply, after multiplying what you get? 60. Okay, so hence Ritu will get 60 marks. This is the answer. Now let's see second one. Ravi painted 40 meter of a fence in 6 days. Okay, so Ravi is painting something, 40 meter he is painting. Okay, of a fence in 6 days. So in 6 days he is painting 48 meter. Okay, how much did he paint in first 4th day? Okay, in total days is given 6 days. In first 4 days we have to find. So simple, fence painted Finch painted in how many days? 6 days. Total is 6 days. Okay. Total is 6 days. We are looking. It is clear, students? See. Wait a minute. Okay. Now see. Here. Finch painted is total is 6 days. Okay. In 6 days, how many meter he is painting? 48 meter. Okay. Now, step 1 we have to do is find the Finch painted in how many days? 4 days you have to find. Okay. So, first you have to find 1 day. In 1 day, how many meter he will painting? Okay. You have to find 1 day. So, here you will write in Finch painted 6 days dash meter means you have to divide. After dividing, here is 1. Okay. Here 1. First we have to find 6 days. So 48 divide 6. Okay. Now Finch painted in 1 day. So 1 day, after dividing, what you get here? After dividing you get here in the table 6, 48 goes 8 times. So 8 you will get. Okay. So Finch painted in 1 days is 8 meter. Okay. Now we have to find 4 days. So Finch painted in 4 days. 4 days. So how you will do here? You will multiply. Okay. So 8 into 4. So what you get? 32 meter. After multiplying you get 32 meter. So Ravi painted 34 meter in 4 days. This is the answer. Now 3 number you can do by yourself. Okay. Now next class we will solve B number. Thank you.